Welcome to this tutorial on building an AI universe. In this video, we'll be discussing the steps and considerations involved in creating a simulation that utilizes artificial intelligence to create a self-contained virtual world. Step 1. Define the goals of your AI universe. Before you begin building your AI universe, it's important to have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve. Are you building an AI-powered game, a virtual assistant, or a simulation for scientific research? This will help guide the design and development of your AI universe. Step 2. Design the rules and physics of the AI universe. Next, you'll need to define the laws that govern your AI universe. This includes the physical laws, such as gravity, and the rules that dictate how objects and entities interact with each other. Step 3. Create the AI entities. Now it's time to populate your AI universe with entities. These entities can be anything from characters, objects, and creatures to virtual ecosystems. You'll need to decide on the AI algorithms that each entity will use to interact with its environment and other entities. Step 4. Train the AI entities. To make the entities in your AI universe behave realistically, you'll need to train them using machine learning algorithms. You can use reinforcement learning, supervised learning, or unsupervised learning, depending on the type of behavior you want to model. Step 5. Implement the environment with your AI entities in place. It's time to create the environment in which they will live. This can range from a simple 2D platformer game to a complex 3D virtual world. You'll also need to decide on how you want to represent the environment, such as using a game engine or custom code. Step 6. Test and refine. Now it's time to test your AI universe. Observe the interactions between entities and the environment and see if they align with your expectations. If not, refine your AI algorithms and repeat the process until you're satisfied with the results. Conclusion. Building an AI universe is a complex task that requires a deep understanding of artificial intelligence and computer science. However, by following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a virtual world powered by artificial intelligence. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in your journey to building an AI universe.